Attention Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. The 20th Ethiopian Day Festival will be held on Labor Day weekend, Saturday, August 31st and Sunday, September 1st, 2 p.m. to 12 a.m. at SouthFork Ranch, right outside of Dallas. Bridging culture and building community with culture, entertainment, art, vendors, and so much more. This is for the entire community to attend. You can purchase your tickets at Eventbrite or visit our Facebook page at FAAECDFW. See you there.
We are here for Ethiopian Day.
An experience you will never forget. Purchase your tickets at Eventbrite